How to move mobile contacts to Gmail account. If any day you have a Gmail account and you would like to move the contacts on your very mobile device to your very Gmail account so that it will be saved for a longer period of time, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the contact list on your very mobile device that may be found on the very call list on your very mobile device or the contact list on your mobile device. So whatever you have to search the contacts on your very mobile device, and after you search the contacts on your very mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you can just tap on any of the contact that you want, and after you tap on the option of the contact there, now you can see the option of the more on the downside, and after you go to the option of the more on the downside, now if you see the option of saving it to your Google account or your Gmail account, you can do it. Otherwise, you can go to the option of the share there and also save it. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go to the plus icon and you can write the name of the very person that you'd like to save the phone number is. For example, it may be Sue here, and then you have to tap on the number of the very person there, and after you tap on the number of the very person, now you have to go to the option of the update there. You have to tap on the option of the very number there, and you have to go to the option of the update, and you have to can update like this. And after that, you can also add any other phone number if the person has, and you can also tap on the email of the person, and in the option of view more here, you can just save it to your very option of the very Gmail account on your mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.